Dear Sir or Madam, this letter constitutes a formal complaint and request for immediate investigation and injunctive relief concerning a pattern of egregious civil rights violations perpetrated against me by New Orleans, La Tulsa, OK area police departments, security guards, and associated paramedics. I have been repeatedly and unlawfully subjected to involuntary hospitalizations under circumstances that strongly suggest a coordinated and deliberate campaign of harassment and abuse. I've been hospitalized numerous times by the aforementioned parties while experiencing acute medical distress. I believe these hospitalizations are not medically justified and are instead being used as a means of control and harassment. I further believe that I am being subjected to the surreptitious application of an oil-based substance to my person, including my clothing and food. I have reason to believe that an examination of the plumbing at my residence will provide evidence corroborating this claim. The pattern of these incidents demonstrates a clear disregard for my fundamental rights and well-being. Had intervention occurred 5 years ago, it would have been insufficient to prevent the ongoing and escalating nature of this abuse. The cumulative effect of these actions has caused me significant physical and emotional harm. I possess documentation, including medical records and arrest records, that substantiate the frequency and nature of these hospitalizations. Furthermore, I believe that access to the GPS data and email communications of the involved parties will reveal a coordinated effort to target and harass me. This evidence will demonstrate that these incidents are not isolated occurrences, but rather a deliberate and sustained pattern of behavior. I respectfully request that the Department of Justice commence an immediate investigation into these matters. I further request that the department seek injunctive relief to prevent any further involuntary hospitalizations or other forms of harassment by the aforementioned parties. The urgency of this situation cannot be overstated, as further delay will only serve to exacerbate the harm I am experiencing. I am available to provide further details and documentation to support this complaint at your earliest convenience. I can be reached at 504-657-8932. Sincerely, Bradley Savoy.